Hi there, welcome to Sugar Hiccups. I'm very excited today because I have my new 2022 Hobonichi Weeks. This is so beautiful. I love the color. I think it's mint soda. I'll check on that. What I'm going to do is I have a few washi tapes. I want to share those with you and I want to get your opinion on some things, and then we'll talk about decorating the cover. So one of the things I have here is a cover by Echo Park, and I was kind of thinking this might look nice inside this because I want to be able to see the back and the front. So I'll put this in the string, and then that way I could take it out if I want, and I can also add something else if I want. So that looks nice. Now my question is, what looks better? This charm ribbon, which is beautiful. Kitty Witty makes these, so I have this, and I have this pom-pom that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it was $3.99, but I think I got it on the day when Paper Studio's 50% off, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. Or I have the pom-pom. I think I like the pom-pom. Please leave a message below. Tell me what you like better. Do you like the pom-pom or do you like the ribbons? I'm going to go ahead and clip this. So what I want to do right now is share with you a few of my washi tapes. I'm thinking about using these. They are very, very cute. So I think these will look pretty. And then I have these pastels, which looks super pretty. Now I don't know that I'll use this washi tape, but I wanted to share it with you. I was so excited when I saw this. It is actually Alice in Wonderland washi tape. So this is from the washi tape store. Let's open it up. These two are repeating patterns. I believe this one is too. So these are gorgeous. I don't know that I'm going to use them in this though, so we'll see. Now I would like to show you the stickers I'll be using for my Hobonichi. I do not know that I'll be using these, so I'll come back to these in a second. But these are adorable. I believe there are 12 packs, and it starts like with January, February, etc. And I think they were not that expensive. I think for all 12, it might have been $17. I'm not quite sure. I think it's under 20. So I'll leave a link below if you're interested. I'm so excited because it's every month. So what I thought I would do is at the beginning of each month, I would add the sticker. Okay, so let's get started. So this is January, and it has all these stickers, but I'm only going to concentrate on the first one. I'm going to do the first full page of each month. So since this says 12 and it ends on the 31st and one starts here, I'm just going to go ahead and start here. February. So I took these out of the packet because it might go a little smoother. We will start with March, which is beautiful. Here is April. May. June. That's pretty. July. August. September. October. November. December, and then I have blank pages here and all my months done here. At the beginning of my book, I want to do something fun, and since I do not have any more of these because they're the months, I have these, which are butterfly fairies and pastoral elves. When the book starts, when my weekly begins, it actually gives me a little bit of November of 2021 now, and a little bit of December. So I'm going to use these for those months. And then I'm going to use some in my opening. But let's start with November. I like this brown gingham, so I want to use her. She's like a little bunny rabbit. These are different stickers. These are butterfly fairy and pastoral elves. So on these, I believe I want to use this one for November, but let me make sure. This one I want to use at the beginning of the planner. Yes, so this is going to be November. I think I want to use her in the green dress, the butterfly fairy. Now I want to decide what to use on the front page. I want to use the deer. So the deer has her in the blue gingham, super cute. I could use the deer and this fairy in pink. This fairy with green wings. So it's between the girl in blue or the girl in pink. I think I'm going to do the fairy. Then I have a deer. That's adorable. I love that. So let's take a look. I love this one. June. And there we have it. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time on Sugar Hiccups.